Hello and welcome back to the channel. Thanks for stopping by for yet another video. I do appreciate that, and as always, I appreciate you. So, what we have here, it says unexpected atmospheric vortex behavior on Saturn's moon Titan. A new study led by the University of Bristol Earth Science has shown that recently reported unexpected behavior on Titan, the largest moon of Saturn, is due to its unique atmospheric chemistry. Now, it says Titan's polar atmosphere recently experienced unexpected and significant cooling, contrary to all model predictions and differing from the behavior of all other terrestrial planets in our solar system. It says Titan is the largest moon of Saturn. It's bigger than the planet Mercury and is the only moon in our solar system to have a substantial atmosphere. It says usually the high altitude polar atmosphere in a planet's winter hemisphere is warm because of sinking air being compressed and heated, similar to what happens in a bicycle pump. Now it says puzzlingly, the Titan's atmospheric polar vortex seems to be extremely cold instead. Now it says before its fiery demise in Saturn's atmosphere on September 15th, the Cassini spacecraft obtained a long series of observations of Titan's polar atmosphere covering nearly half of Titan's 29.5 Earth year-long year using composite infrared spectrometer instruments. Now here, this is, supposedly a real picture of Titan. Now I know how some people feel about NASA and they believe everything they put out is fake. I'm not going to go there. I'm just sharing this story with you, to share it. Whether you believe NASA is real, if you will, or fake, if you will, I have no say in that. But this is said to be an actual picture from the Cassini spacecraft's ISS camera of Titan's winter polar vortex. So, but it goes on to say that the Cassini observations showed that while the expected polar hotspot did begin and develop at the start of winter in 2009, it soon developed into a cold spot in 2012 with temperatures as low as negative 243 degrees Fahrenheit. I could not even imagine that being observed until late 2015. Now it says only in the most recent 2016 and 2017 observations has the expected hotspot return. Lead author Dr. Nick Tenby from the University of Bristol School of Earth Sciences said for the Earth, Venus, and Mars, the main atmospheric cooling mechanism is infrared radiation emitted by the trace gas CO2, and because CO2 has a long atmospheric lifetime, it is well mixed at all atmospheric levels and is hardly affected by atmospheric circulation. However, on Titan, exotic photochemical reactions in the atmosphere produce hydrocarbons such as ethane and acetylene and nitriles, including hydrogen cyanide and cyanoacetylene, which provide the bulk of the cooling. Now it says these gases are produced high in the atmosphere, so they have a steep vertical gradient, meaning that their abundances can be significantly modified by even the modest vertical atmospheric circulations. Therefore, winter polar subsidence led to massive increments of these radioactively active gases over the southern winter pole. It says researchers used temperature and gas abundances measured with Cassini, coupled with a numerical radioactive balance model of heating and cool rates to show the trace gas enrichment was large enough to cause significant cooling in extremely cold atmospheric temperatures. It says this explains earlier observations of strange hydrogen cyanide ice clouds that were observed over the pole in 2014 with Cassini's cameras. It says that this effect is so far unique in the solar system and is only possible because of Titan's exotic atmospheric chemistry tend to be added. Now it says a similar effect could be occurring in many exoplanet atmospheres, having implications for cloud formation and atmospheric dynamics. So again, I just thought this was a pretty interesting article, and honestly, I'm definitely into our solar system, our universe, anything to deal with that, I'm very, very fascinated with. And I just like doing research and reading these articles. And again, I know how some people feel about NASA and whatnot, but like I said, I just wanted to share this article with you because I thought it was interesting, and hopefully you find it interesting as well. But thanks for supporting the channel, watching these videos. You know we're growing every day because of you guys, and I can't appreciate you enough for that. But other than that, be sure to share, like, subscribe, and comment down below. And as always, check that bell notification so you get my videos as soon as they're uploaded. And I hope you guys have a great day. Peace.